Hi, my name is Ruth.
I'm Allie.
And I'm Sonia.
And this is our Utopia on Mars, call number 42.
This community is located on the Gustav crater, which has been observed by a rover before. It is believed to have possibly been a lake like a long time ago.
This would be a perfect community because it has food, water, oxygen, education, and houses to live in. So scientifically, since Mars is extremely cold, there's a heater over there to heat people. And so there is also, since there's no oxygen on Mars, there are oxygen tanks on the outsides. And there are also trees which would help create more oxygen. There's also no water, well there's water, but yeah. Anyway, inside the dome, there are water tanks on the outsides too to bring in water into the houses. And there's also a river running through. So for food, there's a farm over there. And we decided not to have animals on there because it would be, well, since this community was this is just started, you would start little and then later NASA could bring over animals, but for now we decided to just have like plants. So there would also be, since there's low atmospheric pressure, you would have an atmospheric regulator, and there's also less gravity, so everything would be lighter. So you would use something that creates more gravity. And so there's also a school, library, and a lab. So in school you would be taught, library you could just read books about Earth, and in the lab, since you're on Mars, scientists would use that opportunity to send information to Earth for scientists there. This antenna would just be useful for connections to Earth. There are also solar panels on the outsides, which would create energy, and the dome here, it's a reflective material that would reflect the dangerous radiation on Mars since it has a thin atmosphere. And yeah, that's it.
In conclusion, people would be safe and happy in our Utopia 42.
So here's our vehicle.
We created a lander, and we would land at somewhere near the northern ice caps, or northern ice cap on Mars. So there's a bunch of stuff on the lander that would help it in its mission. There's a robotic arm which it would use to drill and shovel. There'd also be a small camera on. There's the surface stereo imager, which is a primary camera. There's the Mars descent imager on the underside, which takes images as it descends for about 3 minutes. And that helps the lander to figure out if the terrain that it's surrounded by is similar or different from the nearby terrain that it's normally in view of. It has a gas analyzer right here. There's a meteorological station, and there are also 2 solar panels. So we modeled this after the Phoenix lander, but the